Hey, what's going on, everybody? Isaac Okeson here. I'm the creator of Civil Engineering Academy as well as the Ultimate Civil PE Review course. I wanted to jump on real quick and kind of give a little bit of a book review of sorts, I guess. So what I'm trying to do is give my own experience about the Civil Engineering Reference Manual by Michael Lindeburg. I know every civil engineer that's out there knows that they need that book, and it's true that you do, but a lot of people get confused and a lot of people ask me about which version is going to work for the exam. You know, they dug in their closet of their neighbor's cubicle and found, the 9th edition of the Civil Engineering Reference Manual, and kind of asking me all the time, is this going to work for the exam? So I'm going to give you my top 4 reasons why you need the Civil Engineering Reference Manual, and also my thoughts on which editions are going to work for you. So my review basically right now, as of this recording, is for the 15th edition of the Civil Engineering Reference Manual. And just real quick, this is the Bible when it comes to studying for the Civil Engineering exam, PE exam. And I know you know that. So let's just get that off the table right now. So let's go over a couple things. I got my little note here. We're going to go over a couple little things. First thing is the latest edition right now, obviously, is the 15th edition. And the reason why they come up with new editions is because codes change. And in order to keep up with the codes, they have to come up with new editions. Also, the NCEES organization likes to tweak their specifications every once in a while. So the guys at PPI are always trying to keep up with this live document, and they're doing their best at doing that. But in general, the Civil Engineering Reference Manual is awesome. It's the go-to book for your civil engineering needs, especially for the PE exam. So let's go over it, my top 4 reasons of why you need this book for the PE exam. Alright, the first one is basically one of the awesome things about this book is you'll notice right when you open the book is that it's got conversion equations right at the beginning. So you don't need to thumb through anything else and figure out how to convert units. They have it all on the front cover of the book. Okay, pretty sweet. That's why, and when you're in the middle of the exam, you really need that, because you don't want to be thumbing through another book trying to figure out how to convert from cubic feet to yards or something like that. So that's very nice. Okay, the second thing I have is that the Civil Engineering Reference Manual has every single subject that you need for the exam in that book. They also provide more than what you need than what's on that exam, and that's okay, because when this is all said and done, when the PE is all over with, and you've got that passing grade, ching, when it's all done, you're going to want this book for other civil engineering needs, other topics that come up during your everyday work. You'll be able to pull out that book, and it's going to be a very, very handy reference for you in your future career as a civil engineer. So anyway, that's number 1. Open up that front cover. Conversions are already right there for you. Boom. The second one is that it has every subject that you need for the PE exam is found in that book, including additional chapters that you may not need, but that's okay. They'll be great for you as a reference later on in your career, and that's just fine. Alright, the third thing that I think is really valuable in this book, and that I haven't seen put together very well in other books, is that it has an excellent topical guide. And this is found in the very, very back of the book. You can simply look through a certain topic. I did this on my own exam. Let's say they gave you a problem about retaining walls or something. You're not quite sure where to find the equations because you didn't tab everything in the world. So you can go look in the back of the book. You go thumb through there. You find whatever topic that you want. So if it's retaining walls, you're going to go back there and find it. You'll go boom, take you right to the page number and look it up right there. It's going to save you a ton of time on the exam if you're looking for particular subjects. I found that also very, very helpful for the theory type problems, because you can pull out a word or the topic and go straight to the back of the book, look it up, and boom, there's your answer. Sweet. Okay, so that's the third thing The fourth thing that I think is very excellent about this book is that it includes a ton of examples, and you need examples, whether you've been out of school forever or you've just forgotten things. Okay, every civil engineer goes through that experience, so you need lots of examples, and this book has them in there for you. So those are my reasons why the Civil Engineering Reference Manual is awesome. It's the go-to book for the whole exam. There are a lot of other references out there, and you can read more references that I recommend. If you go to civilengineeringacademy.com, you can go and look at all the resources that we recommend for studying for the PE exam, but this is definitely the go-to book. I also want to note that if you go to PPI and go to buy this book, we have partnered up with them as an affiliate, and you can use our affiliate code, which is CEA15, and you'll be able to get 15% off of your book, which is a sweet deal. So go do that, and you won't be disappointed, and you can get started studying for the PE exam right away. I also want to let you know that if you are in need of some additional free training on how to prepare to pass for the PE exam, head on over to civilpereviewcourse.com/free training. You can sign up for our free 3-part video series, boom, 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 1, 2, 3, and we'll walk you through the whole experience, and so you're prepared for that big day. We want you to ace this the first time. So anyway, that's our quick book review of the Civil Engineering Reference Manual, 15th edition. Go check it out and use our affiliate code. Use that CEA15, get 15% off, and you'll be rolling. Okay, see you next time. Bye.